No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello guys, my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to become a part of the Gem Squad family by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. So today I'm doing an eyeshadow excuse me. Today I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial and I would love for you to join me. We're using the McGrath Mothership Celestial, some kind of palette. I'll see you in a minute. Hello. Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to subscribe and become a part of the Gem Squad family. So I want to do a quick eye look today, and I have not used this Mothership Pat McGrath. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I said that. Don't shoot me. Pat McGrath palette, and we're gonna see where it's gonna go. I'm not quite sure where it's gonna go. Then we've got some winners to announce today for the end of year giveaway, and I'm super excited about that. I am gonna dip into this matte color, although Pat is not known for having really easy blendable mattes, but this is what we're going with. I could even put a little bit of tape and maybe try something extravagant today. We shall see, right? The tape that I like to use is, if you have masking tape at home, it'll do the same exact thing. This here is Sephora. I think you get like a lot for like $8 or something like that. Make sure your eyes relax, especially if you have a mature lids, and just place that down. The good thing about this tape is it won't take off any of your makeup and you don't have to worry about that. So Morphe's going to be coming out with 2 new palettes tomorrow. They are the 9Z and the 9B, and on my other channel I will be swatching them, Swatch Investigator, and I will be doing an eye look with them on this channel. So yeah, I started a second channel for just those that wanted to see swatches, and I'm enjoying it. I mean, I'm even finding some pretty cool dupes, like the one for Lift Up that's coming out, SOLA look. I think they did pre-orders and it's shipping next month or something like that. Okay, so this color here, I don't even know if they have names. Oh, they do. 4th row over. Venetian Orchid is the color that I'm using, and I've got this Luxie brush. It's kind of like a sweeper brush. At least that's what I call it. Basically you're just sweeping the color over the eye. This really pretty color. I'm just placing the color down right now. I will go back in with a different type of blending brush, and I should have lots. I've recently washed my brushes. Yay! Finally. But of course most of them are out of reach. They're over there. Alright, so let's go in. Haha, here we go. Morphe times Nikita. I like to do circular motions. Don't be afraid to hold your eye if you need to at any time, especially when applying eyeliner to mature lids. Like, sometimes it's just a necessity. It's just something that needs to be done, to hold that eye. Wish they didn't move so much, you know. Alright, so we've got a nice little coat here. There is 2 other mattes in here. Venomous Void and Major Mahogany. Alright, I'm just going to dip this blending brush right into the first one I said. Venetian something? I don't know. And we're going to put that right here in the crease. We just want to make that crease nice and dark. I do have hooded eyes, but I can make the illusion that I have a bigger eye. And that is one of the beauties of makeup. And you've got your tape here, so you won't be dragging down your eyeshadow. You'll be lifting it up, so you're good to go. really. Let's just get in the crease real good there. Yes. Super pretty. Oh, I love that color. That is like beautiful. Okay, let me catch up with you. Okay, I know what I want to do. Yes, I figured it out. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the other side of that sweeper brush. Really, it's a Luxie some kind of number. I'll put that on the screen for you. And I'm going to put some setting spray on it. And we're going to go into a couple different colors here. We're going to do the lightest shimmer. I'll put the name on the screen for you. Super, super pretty. And we're going to go ahead and put that the inner corner and just build it up. Of course, I'm going to go a little bit above my crease so my eye looks bigger. Setting spray helps with the fallout, especially when you have colors like this. They do have the tendency to have fallout. And really what I want is just get nice and shiny in that corner. Woo! Okay. Gonna turn it back over. A little bit of color on this side is not gonna do anything. And I'm gonna go into a darker kind of shimmer for the middle part of my eye. This one. Loving it. Don't forget to tap. Here it is here. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Ooh, yes, thank you. And remember, your eye looks like, I know a lot of you are newbies at doing eyeshadow. Finish your look because you can find detail at the end. You can clean things up. Nothing has to be perfect. There really are no rules in makeup, just guidelines. And you will find a way that works well for you. I do hope that some of my tips help you as well. But in reality, you've got to blend a certain way. Not everything gets blended windshield wiper motion or even circles, especially when you're working with shimmers, because that's how it ends up a muddy mess when you're doing that. But if you're taking your time, I mean, if you get a little bit where it's too low, you can clean that up. You don't need to worry about all that. Okay, now we've got that color in there. Make sure we're good. Now we're gonna go in and we can use this brush because we're gonna go into something darker. And I love this color. Ready? Just place it down and flick it towards the eye. Make sure there's no separation in pigment, which means you cannot see the other colors or skin through the makeup. Oh, I just like a dramatic eye, especially when I'm using a Pat McGrath palette, you know? I did want her new collection, but there's so much out and I'm trying to save money. Yeah, I'm loving that. That is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna do underneath the eye and then I'm gonna take this tape off. And what I think I'm gonna do, we need a stiffy. If you're new to my channel, you probably don't know what a stiffy is. I'm gonna show you. Okay, it is usually called the eyeliner smudge brush, I believe. They have angled stiffies, but the one that I am referring to is obviously going to be hard to find for whatever reason. I'm pretty sure I have one over here. Oh, I'm going to need that brush too. Where is my stiffy? I only have like 300 brushes. You know, that's all. Here's my stiffy. Here it is. The famous stiffy. Okay, and here is a Luxie mini round brush. We're going to need that too. A little bit of setting spray. Like that. And we could totally do the darkest color all the way if we want to, but I kind of want to play with some of these beautiful colors. What? let's take this one. Okay. You just want to stamp the color in. You can wiggle it back and forth. This one's not it's going to need to be built up, I guess. I mean, if I was to use my finger and pop it on my lid, it'd be fine, but that's not what I'm using it for. Ooh, we can even do a little glitter down there. Yeah, so let's do that. This purplish. Ooh, there we go. Much better. And we are going to blend. Just right now, place it on the color. And I'm going to put liner on my waterline when I'm finished doing this, because sometimes it'll disappear when you're blending this out. Just happens, you know? Okay, and because I like things to belong together, that color I put on top is the last color I'm going to put over here. And we're just going to press that down and in, or up, you know what I mean. Ah, love, 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 love. Okay, we need the mini round brush. Where are you? Take your coffee. Okay, the moment of truth. Ready? Woohoo! Okay. Now, this brush. Wiggle it back and forth. Kind of like this. And I do need to fix. I think I've got one higher than the other, so I've got to fix that. Just smoke this out. Grab your concealer, and if you're going to do a wing, grab your liner. Okay, I'm going to attempt for the second time to use magnetic lashes, which means I need that magnetic liner. The Glamnetic Black Magic, actually, is the one that I'm going to use. Should I do that first? Yeah, let's do that first. Okay, so now I'm deciding if I want to put a brow bone highlight and an inner corner highlight. Now, usually when I have my eyeshadow up this far, I will do a brow bone highlight because it'll blend nicely together. But if my shadow is down lower, I will not. Okay, I have got, oh, let's just go with Becca's Champagne Pop. Alright, put a little on this brush. Right here. I want my eye to look lifted, so I'm just going to put it right there and not follow it down. Oh, yes. Okay. Just make the inner corner a little bit lighter. It makes the eye look bigger when you have it lighter here and then the darkness out here. And any small brush should do. And you can blend it too. Okay, love it. Now, magnetic lashes. Let's see, which ones? They sent me a tool with these too, and I don't know where I put it. All right, let's try her. Oh wow. Hi. Yeah, it's the style. I now know what style lashes that are magnetic work for me. Hi. Yes. If you guys know me, you know how long I've been struggling to find this. I kept saying, I've got to find it. I've got to find one that works for me. Thank you, Glamnetics. Okay, so some blush and a lippy and the hair. We've got to do the hair. Then I've got other stuff to do with you guys today. So I'll be back in a minute. Thank you guys for joining me for this eyeshadow tutorial. I do hope that you enjoyed it and you got something out of it. I love Pat McGrath products. They're just amazing. And I'm excited to get to use them today. I went for a little ombre moment on my lips. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And I want to take the time to say thank you so very much for watching this video. I haven't put earrings in a while. My nose ring was a pain to get in. Okay, I really do appreciate you guys. Remember, I have a second channel just for swatches, Swatch Investigator. I'll link it in the corner here, and talk to me down in the comments. Tell me how your New Year's going so far. Do you have any New Year's resolutions? What do you think of the Pat McGrath palette? And I will see you guys really, really soon in another video.